Are your subtitles missing, showing at the wrong time, or appearing as strange characters in VLC? Don't worry. These problems are usually caused by the wrong subtitle track, file format, encoding, or timing. In this guide, I'll show you the main fixes step by step. First, make sure subtitles are actually enabled. While your video is playing, open the subtitle menu and look at subtitle track. If disable is selected, choose one of the available subtitle tracks instead. VLC supports several common subtitle formats and can also read subtitles embedded in supported media files. If your subtitle isn't listed, you may need to load it manually. Open the subtitle menu and choose Add Subtitle File. Select your subtitle file, such as an SRT file, and open it. VLC supports formats including SRT, Sub, SSA, AS, and several others. Next, check the subtitle file itself. Make sure you're selecting the correct file and that it contains actual subtitle text and timing information. If you're using a separate subtitle file, keeping the video and subtitle files clearly named can make them much easier to manage. So try loading the subtitle manually if automatic detection isn't working. If the subtitles appear as boxes, symbols, or strange characters, the problem may be text encoding. Open Tools, then Preferences, and go to Subtitles or OSD. Find the default subtitle encoding and try the appropriate encoding for your subtitle file. Save the change and restart the stream. If the subtitles appear too early or too late, you can adjust their timing while the video is playing. VLC lets you change subtitle delay in small increments using keyboard controls. Press G to delay subtitles or H to advance them, depending on which direction you need. If the subtitles are technically working but are hard to see, check their appearance settings. Open Tools, Preferences, and Subtitles or OSD. You can adjust the font, size, and other text rendering options for supported text-based subtitles. Yeah, this is especially useful for small or low-contrast subtitles. Finally, test a different subtitle file with the same video. If another file works correctly, the original subtitle may be damaged, incorrectly encoded, or poorly synchronized. Also remember that burned-in subtitles can't be turned off or corrected through VLC because they're permanently part of the video image. And that's how to fix subtitles that aren't working in VLC. Check the subtitle track, load the file manually, verify the format, fix encoding, adjust the delay, and check the appearance settings. Go through these in order, and you'll usually find the problem pretty quickly.